Hello, welcome back to the series that I'm doing on how to get your business to make more money. Now, the thing a lot of businesses struggle with is paying themselves. The entrepreneurs or the founders never understand how they can pay themselves, whether they deserve to pay themselves, how to make enough money to pay themselves, how to be tax efficient, and sometimes we're just simply afraid of paying ourselves, yeah? But you are destroying value in your business if you're not paying yourself. So take a look at this simple example with me. Let's start with income. You sell your goods or your services and you make money, you make 100 bob. Now, if you go to work and every day you're thinking of how to make 100 bob, what are you going to make? 100 bob. Because that is what is in your mind. But for most of us, when we've said 100 bob, we have not included ourselves as an expense. So maybe you should be targeting 120 because 20 goes to you. Remember, you're working. You're getting up every day and going to work. Nobody would be in your position for free. So you've got to start paying yourself. So yes, make more money. And when you come to Centonomy, you start to understand what are the strategies. What is the business plan around generating more revenues and more cash flows, yeah? But then you have expenses. And then after expenses, you have your profit. And this is what I want us to concentrate on, your operating profit. We are doing, and we do as part of our class, a raising capital class. And you're going to understand the significance of this figure, operating profit. And we teach you these details in the class. But very simply, if you're going to raise money, try and get an investor into your business or want to sell your business, this number becomes very key. Because an investor is going to pay you a multiple of this number. So here I've used 8, 20 times 8 is 160. So this is what it means. You make 20 shillings profit today. An investor will come and say, depending on industry standards and how fast your company is growing, they're willing to pay you 8 times your current level of earnings. So they're going to pay you 160. Very good, you get your 160, you are happy. Problem, you've not been paying yourself. So the investor will come and say, aha, to replace you, no one else is going to work for free like you. To replace you, I'm going to have to pay someone 10. So suddenly my expenses move from 80, I'm just going to write over it, and they become 90. Let me put a big fat 9 there. So suddenly my profit is not 20, it is 10. So now I'm multiplying not 20 times 8, but 10 times 8 for the value. So my business is now worth not 160, it is worth 80. You have just lost 80 shillings because of not paying yourself. Now I'm talking in shillings. This could be 100,000, it could be 100 million, it could be 100 billion. So the effect of not paying yourself over time is costing you money. So let's stop being afraid of the tax. And when you do come from Centonomy, because we teach you how to go through your financials properly, you will find where you're losing money and also some very tax efficient methods you can use as a director or owner of the company to actually pay yourself. So pay yourself. Thank you and subscribe to this channel.